All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. Last video, we just linked our social media accounts. So now we can schedule out some content. So same thing, we want to go into your marketing. And I'm in the planner. I'll pull that up too. I was just in the settings. We were adding an account. So here are the accounts that I have linked. I have some scheduled and published. So if you want to now schedule out your posts for whichever account you want, you go to New Post, Create New Post, select the account you want. So for example, say I want my personal X account and say, this is me testing out scheduling. Yeah. Okay. And then you can hit post now, schedule post for approval would be internal if you're working with the team. Schedule recurring post if you say you have, some kind of pitch or whatever you want to do that's obviously recurring, either daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. I might do that in a little bit, but not quite yet. Or you can just save for later and it'll put it into your drafts. That's what I've been doing. I've been kind of bulk uploading and saving to the drafts for both my personal and business X. And then I can go into the drafts, say, for example, this one, me testing it out. I know it's put both, but here's the other one. Overnight success, a years in the making. Duh. All right. So then just you can hit edit, and then you can post to both if you want, but then sometimes I'll just remove one and you can post it to the other. So there's a lot you can do here. Certain ones don't overlap, so like X and Instagram, some have the pictures or videos, but 2X or Instagram and TikTok, whatever you want. So that should allow you to post out for quite a bit. If you have any questions, let me know. And if not, I will see. Oh, wait, before I go. Hey, almost caught me there. If you want to see what you have scheduled out, which I need to get on. I only did, I think, today. I don't think I showed you. You hit Open Planner here, Open Planner. And then you can see everything content-wise that you have scheduled out. See 145 more. What is that? No way. Did I post those or draft those? Got to be drafted, right? Okay. Yeah, if I posted 145 today, I would be my account would have got banned for spam. Shit. Okay. I don't think so. I think the green are posted, and then and then the black squares got to be drafts because I did 49 yesterday. For a day. Wow. I almost gave myself a heart attack. That's what I do, y'all. I'm doing these videos live. I'm telling you. Some shit will catch me off guard. Live action. Here we got live action. Okay, that'll be it. So yeah, schedule out some content, and then you're free to get on with your work or bust a chill. Do whatever you want. I'm not your boss. All right, cool. See you next video.